Alright, today we're working on a 2001 e46. Alright, now what we gotta do is change this bad boy out right here.
It's called the
EGR valve, okay? Now that connects to your air pump right here.
And what does that do?
And what this does is brings air into the engine. What we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this so we can get some space under this. So that's exactly what we did. We just took it out with a
10 millimeter?
10 millimeter, of course, as always. That's usually what it always is on a BMW. And we just remove this sensor just so we can get some space. Now I'm gonna hold this up right here. Now while we get under here and remove that bolt that's right under there so we can get it out.
Okay. Nice and cozy in here. What size of millimeter are you using?
10 millimeter.
I believe this is a 10 millimeter.
Okay. And you're using a ratchet, right?
I'm using this extension with an adapter to give me a little length on this bad boy.
Okay, cool.
So there's two bolts, I believe. What you want to do is make sure you're locked in and loosen that bad boy up. I got it. So now, once
It's not rocket science, guys.
Alright, so you're jumping right here. Hope it doesn't take you that long to find a hole. So, I'm gonna use it. It's loose, man. It's loose. Alright. We should have interlude music. Yeah, the point of music. There you go. There's a screw right there. Right there. So 10. Look, we have a 10.
And I believe there's a sensor down here.
Yeah. Squeeze it, yeah, both sides.
It's one of those clip johns.
There you go.
Easy. Let me queasy.
Now, you would not want to rip this off, right?
Yeah, definitely not. That little hose is very, very important.
So it feels kind of hot. I recommend letting that cool down a little bit.
Yeah.
Once it's hot, it feels like
Yeah,
you shouldn't put it on. It's kind of like an ignition coil. You don't want to do it when it's hot, you know? Then the rubber's going to rip.
Actually, let me go get that.
What's a pick?
Hey, just come on. MTV is where you speed it up.
Yeah, this is mine, you know. So if I can try mine, something regular. You know, stick to the mine as well. We're going to be going in this page. Now we have German kids. So blessing with it because he's a real ass nigga. So let's try to remove it with this.
Okay. So after you do that, I believe you should be able to get it out now.
Oh, yeah. Just turn it. You should just turn it like left, right, left, right. There you go.
So I'm finding a technique that if you just twist the whole actually EGR valve, you're loosening it up from inside the tube.
Nice.
So what you're gonna do is help me out, yeah. Remove that so you can get in there with the camera. And I believe that shit is not coming out.
You believe? I believe. There you go. She's almost out.
Nice. Got it.
Okay. And this, boys, is what you don't want your EGR valve to look like.
Yeah, looks like a crack hard.
You see all that in there?
Yeah.
That's like having
Cancer in your lungs.
yeah. So
know.
basically, you wanna
Pretty much.
compare and make sure you got the right part.
Yes, always compare. Make sure that all the
So-
bolts are lined up, sizes, everything. You might want to face them my way. There you go. Those are nice. Right there. Those are nice pieces of EGR you have there.
So you see how
They're
this is what you
very
want
nice.
your EGR to look like on the inside.
Ooh, look at that. I can
This is
see
what you
it.
don't want it to look like.
No.
Can you get the camera right in there? See if that's a gasket? Yes, it is. And ladies and
So-
gentlemen, get a new gasket.
This is what your old gasket would look like.
Yep.
I'm pretty sure it looks like this because it gets very hot right there.
Yep.
So you
Next
don't
to
want
the engine and all that stuff.
You don't want to have a rubber one melting and
Nope.
going bad every few months.
Make sure
so.
you get copper or multi-layer.
Yeah.
MLS. Multi-layer gasket. What's up, dude?
Say something for the channel. You see the rep, you see where we're repping the district. It's like, it's not rocket science, guys.
Yep. It's not outer space.
Is it really a Beamer though?
It's not intergalactic.
It's not in your
The
galactic.
Beamer. It's really a Beamer.
Oh yeah, it's a coming classic. So we get the new
careful with
gasket.
This is a fucking highly modified Magni 5000 Ultron with 3,000 RPMs as it closes.
Not just this, but the whole car.
Is this a Bosch product?
So we
Of
believe
course.
we
Shout
believe
out
in
Bosch.
recycling.
We would love a sponsorship. Thank you.
German engineering parts.
Okay, so I'm installing the new gasket.
Okay. I mean, it should work. I think it'll work.
So now I need to move forward.
Goes like this, ladies and gentlemen.
Right. It's okay. Put this on there. Let me see. I got it.
Take notes.
Little dude. Little dude.
So you just want to tighten it up with your hands. Make sure you get it locked in so you could reach.
Locked and loaded real quick.
Go ahead and reach for your other bolt. Make sure it's close by. You don't want to have to start moving everywhere and looking for your tools.
Great
and your...
tip, great tip. If anybody would ever like to sponsor us,
Anybody?
anybody, shout us out on the comments. We work on only BMWs here. Remember that.
All right.
Yeah, you're good to go.
Ladies and gentlemen, now it's as easy as just putting everything back together.
Come on, man.
You're kind of holding the video down, dude.
Yeah.
I think your fucking ponytail's too tight and your brain is all squeezed up. It doesn't let you dig.
So what you want to do is this should connect at the bottom. So you want to just plug it in before you make
The
sure.
harness. You connect the harness down there.
Make sure you hear that click too.
Yeah, definitely. There you go. You heard it? Yeah, definitely.
You want to get the clamp on the hose, I believe.
First, you put the clamp on the hose. Then you slide the hose onto the EGR valve. Then you tighten it up.
There you go. Thank you.
Okay, and you get your tools. I believe you want to have your tools right next to you. Like I can't stress this enough. I hate a mechanic that's gonna walk in
Sloppy
everywhere.
mechanic, yeah.
You know, waste of time.
Then even start. That's how you lose bolts, tools, bolts, everything.
All kinds of stuff. That's a no-no. Right.
Okay, double check your clamps. Always double check. Double check your
Clamp there. Clamp, and there's another one at the bottom right, all the way over
Tighten
there.
down. Disconnect
I
the tip.
That's the sensor for the blinker fluid.
Okay.
That.
Show me that back clip, that back.
Yeah, that's for the windshield
Windshield
wipers.
wipers, ladies and
Fluid.
gentlemen, just know you do not need that much. But
There you go. Click. There you go, young man. There you go, young man.
sir,
And that last bolt goes right there. There you go, genius. There you go, genius. We have 10% of battery life, so
well, we're already done. That's perfect timing.
Hold on, no ending yet. We still gotta crank his battery.
want to hear this puppy roaring.
Let's see.
It's probably gonna have a blow-off
So
valve.
you wanna talk to our tech assistant? Have her crank it.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Miss.
She's a little shy right now.
This right here. There's a sucking of the air on that fucker.